Hi all, I'm Shahin Sultana, QA engineer, works at Kobe Insurance, Reading, London, UK. Welcome to our first ever QA News Live episode 1. This is our first ever session where we will be covering the latest software tools updates, software conferences, blogs, job opportunities, and so much more. So stay tuned. So first thing first, we'll be starting with the testing and automation updates, which is open source tools updation. Coming to Selenium. Selenium, are you still using Selenium 3? Your Selenium has upgraded to Selenium 4. What's new in it? It supports legacy protocol and uses the VWC driver standards by default, and most of the things will not affect the end users. The major expectations and capabilities and the action class. Relative locators, Chrome debugging protocol support, that is CDP, W3C compliance, efficient and modern Selenium grid, modified Selenium IDE for Chrome and Firefox browsers. Here comes the capability list. Browser version replaced to version, platform name replaced to platform, timeout, proxy, and browser name. Moving on, we have another update from Cypress. Cypress Test Runner V9 1.4.1 and 9.3.0 releases. What's new in it? Added a new Cypress command called .select file to select a file or files in an HTML5 input elements or stimulate dragging a file or files into a browser. Expose the buffer profile as cypress.buffer to enable working with binary data. Safari browser supports the Safari browser supports is on the roadmap. Moving on, there is one more update from Asuki. Asuki offers a no-code automation solutions to UI test based on visual properties. The increase in demand for faster development cycle and the complexes that come along with it calls for a modern technology solution that not only saves time but also integrates to your ecosystem. Parallel execution of native mobile and desktop and web applications, selective automation, enables canvas, testing without proxy matching, color verification of element. For more such information, you can log into www.asuki.com to get full access and functionality of Asuki. That's all about the updation from tools. Now moving on to the conferences. We have few updates about the upcoming conferences in this year. The first one is Automation Guild Online Conference 2022, which would be held on Feb 7th to Feb 11th. Agile DevOps and Testing Methodologies and Tools revised from Feb 9th to Feb 10th. QA Global Summit 2022 from Feb 15th to Feb 16th. Workforce from March 4th to 6th. Here comes the Cordless Conference 2022, which is on April 9th and 10th. QA is hosting its virtual conference, Cordless Conference 2022, on April 9th and 10th. The conference is about codeless testing. You can get to know about the latest codeless tools, how to leverage codeless tools to create scripts in short term, future of testing, and much more. All testers, test automation engineers, newcomers, managers, SIT, and community leaders, and anyone else who is interested where how the world's greatest testing technology may help you move forward and invite to attend this event. Highlights of this event would be expert codeless speakers presenting tools and demos, panel discussion, live workshops that would be hands-on lab, quiz contest, and much more. This is all about the codeless conferences. Now moving on, we have blogs as well. In you do check out our QA Talks channel website for blogs. The first blog is Codeless Automation Testing blog by Shahin 2022. The codeless testing refers to an approach where the test cases are automated without the use of code, which doesn't mean that it is 100% codeless. Codeless automation is not 100% codeless. But the reason behind why should we opt for codeless? It's economical and user friendly, less training for testers, extended the scope of automation. Here are a few list of codeless automation tools. SL, SLQ, Virtual End, Lambda Data Test, Test Sigma, Cathlon Studio, Testcraft, and much more. You can check out later on this blog. For more such information about Cordless, please join our Cordless Conference 2022. The next blog is Baby Steps Towards Postman and His Brother Newman by Janice Stella. Postman offers a new list of API calls methods we can select from the given drop-down list. Set authorization, header, body information according to the API call to hit our API. Newman gives capabilities of running Postman collections throughout the command line. It basically helps you automate your Postman test with ease. The basic step of Newman is first step. How can we kickstart? First step, install Node.js, install Postman's Newman, create a collection and run our test scripts, export the Postman collection and its associate environment like it's applicable, like files if applicable, running the collection in Newman. That's it about software testing. That's it about the blogs. Now moving on, software testing trends needs software testing trends testers needs to follow by 2022 by Bethany Wilson. Software testing have unique demand in software development field. In the coming year, the role of software tester will be even more challenging and demanding. With new software testing trends emerging, software testers will must have a point to upgrade and to be sync with the latest trends. They need to embrace the IOL testing, the rise of TCOE, that is Test Center of Excellence, the sheer value of artificial intelligence AI in testing. Following some benefits of following are some of the benefits of applying AI in software testing. Test cases can be easily made by a QA team by using a platform of AI. If certain test cases are similar, they are deleted by them by thereby making the process of testing even faster. A proper strategy matrix can be created and developed by organization through the platform of AI. This will improve the scope of implementation of testing, thus making the outcome programmatic and cohesive. Here comes the updates from our sponsor. SLQ. SLQ announces 100% growth in annual revenue as adoption of its non-code test automation technology, Solars. XLQ XLQ for Salesforce. XLQ is now officially Salesforce ISV partner. The next update is from Lambda Test. Lambda Test is introducing Hypertest, a next-gen testing platform to help business run end-to-end Selenium test at the fast speed possible by achieving quicker time to market. The next update is from Test Sigma. They are going to open source with they call Test Sigma Community Edition, that is CE. Replace your broken test Slack with a powerful open source test automation platform or from Test Sigma. This is all from our sponsors update. Now moving on to the job updates. We have huge opportunity for CGI is hiring Selenium testers who have testers with Java experience who have 5 to 7 years of experience. Location is Bangalore and Hyderabad. We also have opportunities in UK for with the sponsorship. You can log on to www.read.co.uk for side jobs. For Dubai opportunity, you can log on to Highland Group. They are hiring QA engineers, and you can also they are also hiring freelance free your work. Freelance are looking for Cypress testing engineers for site for clients. Location is Hyderabad, Pune, Delhi, Noida, and Goregaon. This is remote work. Automation leads, there are 2 roles. Test engineers, there are 8 roles. If you anyone are interested, please share your resume. Feel free to share your resume for free your work freelance@gmail.com. For more such updates, you can join our QA Talks QA Talks Discord channel. Moving on, live topic views. Today's topic is test metric. Software testing metrics are a way to measure and monitor your test activities. More importantly, they are given insights to your team, test process, productivity, and more quality of the system under test. Do you think it is important for a QA? That's all for today. We will be back with another new session. Please let us know what you want to cover in the next time for our Q&A news. And don't forget to write your comments, share your comments in the comment section about what do you think about test matrix. What do you think that it is important to QA?